Your desk isn't just a place to work, it's your command center. Today, I'm showing you the tech that turns any setup into a high-performance powerhouse. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button right now to help our community grow. I've hunted down the best deals for everything you're about to see, so check the links in the description below to grab yours. Let's dive in. Stop wasting time switching tabs. The Blackview DCM6 gives you a massive 400% productivity boost by adding two 14-inch FHD screens to your laptop instantly. Unlike bulky monitors, this weighs just 2 pounds and is only 0.17 inches thin. While competitors require messy hubs, this uses a sleek 2-cable USB-C setup. It's TUV certified to protect your eyes, making it the superior choice for long-distance travel or deep work sessions. Upgrade your view today, link is below. Next, most docks just hide cables. This one actually talks to you. This 7-in-1 smart dock features an integrated screen with built-in apps to monitor your PC hardware, weather, or crypto in real time. It delivers a beastly 90 watts of power and 4K at 60 Hz video, specs that leave basic plastic dongles in the dust. It's the only dock that combines professional-grade connectivity with a futuristic command center aesthetic. Don't settle for a boring hub when you can have this. Next, stop carrying 8 different bricks. The Bureau Du 500-watt station is a powerhouse, featuring 5 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports. While other chargers struggle to power a single laptop, this delivers 120 watts to 2 laptops simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Its advanced GaN technology keeps it cool and compact. It's the ultimate one-and-done power solution for your entire tech ecosystem. Secure your desktop's power via the link in the description. Next, the Insta360 Link 2 isn't just a webcam, it's a robotic camera crew. With a massive 1/2-inch sensor, it produces 4K visuals that rival DSLR cameras. Its AI tracking is smoother than any competitor, physically panning and tilting to keep you in frame. The desk view mode is a game changer for creators, automatically showing your desk notes with zero distortion. If you want to look like a pro on every call, this is the only camera that matters. Finally, the Books Note. Air 5C is where paper meets the future. Unlike standard tablets that cause eye strain, this 10.3-inch color e-paper display feels like real ink. It runs Android 15, giving you access to all your work apps, a feature dumb e-writers just can't match. For engineers and creatives, the 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity makes sketching feel natural and precise. It's the smartest notebook you'll ever own. Grab it through the link below. That's the lineup to revolutionize your workflow. Don't forget, all product links are waiting for you in the description. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.